Gemini natives born on this day are very often atypical of their sun sign. You are more likely to be guided by your feelings and emotions than by intellect or logic. An inspired thinker, you possess the ability to communicate ideas non-verbally as well as through the written and spoken word. Naturally psychic and highly intuitive, you are capable of bypassing the usual Gemini thought process and relying on your hunches instead. As an inventor and pioneer, you have the wherewithal to discover new truths that to go well beyond the accepted realities of the time and place in which you live. Those with June 11th birthdays are basically tranquil and dislike disharmony or discordant conditions. Offended by crudeness and vulgarity, you function best when surrounded by beautiful things in a harmonious environment. Your quick mind, innate creativity, foresight, and ability to see the possibilities that others miss can take you far in business or the arts. You have a knack for making the most of every opportunity. Your many influential friends and acquaintances appreciate your elegance and diplomacy and are usually willing to help you advance socially and professionally. A large circle of friends and acquaintances gives you a sense of security and fulfillment. Romantically, you are considerably less flirtatious than many of your Gemini counterparts. However, you need a partner who stimulates you mentally as well as physically, or you may lose interest and start looking elsewhere.